Sheep are shorn in all seasons, depending on the climate, management requirements and the availability of a wool classer and shearers. Ewes are normally shorn prior to lambing in the warmer months, but consideration is typically made as to the welfare of the lambs by not shearing during cold climate winters. However, in high country regions, pre-lamb shearing encourages ewes to seek shelter among the hillsides so that newborn lambs aren't completely exposed to the elements. Shorn sheep tolerate frosts well, but young sheep especially will suffer in cold, wet, windy weather. Investment in livestock facilities are a large and important consideration. Yards designed and built specific to your operation provide significant business and safety benefits along with timely husbandry procedures. ProWay's permanent sheep yards and sheep handling facilities have earned the reputation of being industry-leading by farmers, commercial facilities, stock agents, contractors and vets throughout the livestock industry because of the product quality and emphasis on operator safety and stock flow. Heiniger Xpert 2-speed sheep clipper is the powerful electric shearing handpiece has a patented floating fork system to provide an even pressure across the comb and cutter. This uses less pressure and extends the life of the comb and cutter by up to 50%. Maximum speed of 2,800 double strokes per minute and a powerful motor to shear sheep quickly and without any effort. High speed with 2,500 and 2,800 double strokes. Resistant and durable, light, slim and extremely handy. Very quiet, controlled airflow. Motor power 250 watts. Speed 2.500 2.800 dBs per minute. Length 301 millimeters. Weight 1180 grams. Noise emission L pump 72 decibels A. 230 volts. Prattley Industries Ltd, world leaders in lightweight automated animal handling equipment. Prattley is dedicated to producing top-quality animal handling equipment that enables you to maximize efficiency. Whether you need a relocatable cattle yard or sheep yard, a cattle crush, or an automated grain and drafting system, Prattley has the system to meet your requirements. Our animal handling equipment is portable, so you can take it to any part of your farm for on-the-spot stock management.